Myself, Dr. Anu from Punjab. I have joined Medline Academics for fellowship in reproductive medicine. This is a hybrid course which comprises of the 9 months of online classes. These online classes are very good and interactive. And the teachers and the faculty is very good. You can clear your doubts over there. And now I am here for simulation training, in which we are being taught about how to do OPU, embryo transfer, IUI and hysteroscopy on simulators. OPU simulator, we were given 5 models in which we were asked to pick the different number of the follicles from easy to tougher one. All the faculty and teachers are very good here, especially Dr. Kamini and Dr. Shantla ma'am. They helped us a lot about solving our doubts, and they are very helpful. All the topics were covered, from basic infertility to the ovulation induction to the embryology, and this helped me a lot in a clinical practice. Overall, this is very good course, and I would like thank to Medline Academics for this opportunity to enhance my skills in the infertility practice and for IVF practice also.